call me lonesome, heartbroken and so. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm alone from now on. You used to call me you one and only. Now you only call me someone you won't see. You were my angel until some stranger came between us. Now the river lies in pieces. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm alone from now on. I see you with him fall apart again. Remembering when I was the only one you needed. You said forever we'd stay together. Came between us now, forever lies in pieces. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm alone from now on. Don't need my old one, I'm alone from now on.
Well, we're back up here at Carmine's Country Corner, and during the sound check today, I got a big shock on this microphone. So if I look a little scared or like ducking a little, I don't want to get bit by this sucker.
I got a big shock when Gary started that song.
I did too. Well, we had some question about how to vamp on it or something, but we figured it out. We're pros. Well, we try to be. Anyway, so we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and we got kind of a fun night tonight because being shy of a guest artist, technically, we got Tom Paul Wilson, who had not been around in a couple of weeks because he was busy doing some other stuff, and so he's up doing the engineering stuff with Kim, and we're going to get him up. He's got his guitar and amp there and do some stuff with us. And then I've been hanging out down at Knottsberry Farm for a while now, and there's a good friend of ours down there named Jerry, is it Crump? Jerry Crump, sorry about your last name. But I mean, I know him well. I see him every week. He supports all the music down at Knott's, and I just always call him Jerry. Anyway, and he's got his own band, and we're going to talk about that when he gets up. So last night I was working down there, and he's sitting there, and this is all off the cuff. You know, we're just shooting the bull. I said, when are you going to come up to Carmine's Country Corner? He says, when do you want me? I said, tomorrow. He said, I'll be there.
Here he is.
So short notice, but you know, and so I said, what do you want to play, bass or drums? Because he plays drums and bass. I'll play bass. I said, okay, so we're going to get him up. He's going to do a couple of cool songs.
Sounds good.
And I've never played with him before. I just know him for a few years by working.
Well, he looks
down
like he
there.
can play, you know.
He looks to me like he can play, and plus, and I'll tell you something else, he's a great guy.
All right.
He's a good man. So we're happy to have him here. And that was a fine opening song there, Swan. How'd the week go for you? Decent?
Well, I'd like to introduce my new stand company.
I was going to mention that.
Black Panther from Germany. They're the Rolls-Royce of stand companies, and they're the official stand for Hammond organ, and I love them, and this is part of the stand, and build them up, and you can put a lot of keyboards.
Lots
and
of
stuff,
choices going on there, huh?
Yes, lots of choices.
Well, that's
and
great.
Durable after.
It looks rock solid.
It is.
It is.
We could come over here and have a gang fight. And
Well, you know what Jackie
and
Gleason
sit
used to
there.
say? You know, it pays to buy the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy the best, cry once. That's my motto. Yeah.
Okay, we are going to get back to the music, but Paul,
Carmen.
tell me about the family.
Oh, family is great.
Good?
Yeah, oh yeah, everybody's
Nobody
fine.
sick. Last week you said they were
Yeah,
feeling kind of
no,
sick.
everybody's feeling good this week.
Unbelievable.
good.
Good. Give them all my love.
I will.
You know, it's a little cold outside,
It is cold.
but those two little heaters, you know, that we got up here,
They're great.
It just takes the edge off
Yeah.
a little bit. The ladies were nice enough to show up. Lovely Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa, and so we're happy to have them here. And of course, Dan Ugot's here. He's kind of become our YouTube guy. Like we film it, and then Dan does this mixing thing. He's got mics everywhere and mix it. It really sounds cool. And then we put it up on Tuesday on YouTube.
I like that his gear has so many lights.
Yeah. Well, that certainly impressed me. Even though the bass was too loud on the last mix, but I like the
No, it
lights.
was-
No, it wasn't. I'm kidding, Dan.
Bass
It was
was
beautiful.
perfect. What are you
It
saying?
was great. Okay, so we're going to get back to music. Paul, hit us with something.
Key of D. That halftime thing.
Good key.
1, 2, 3, 4. If life is like a candle bright, then death must be the wind. You can close your window tight, but it still comes blowing in. So I will climb the highest hill and watch the rising sun. And I pray that I don't feel the chill till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Now I have had some dear sweet friends I thought would never die. The only thing that's left of them is this teardrop in my eye. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. If I could have one wish today and know it would be done, I'd pray that all my friends could stay till they're too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Thank you.
Who did that song again? I thought
Paul just did
it
it.
sounds like Don Williams, but I don't
Yeah,
think that's
but it wasn't Don
It wasn't
Williams.
him,
I think it was Mo Bandy.
Oh,
I think.
great song. That sounds like a Don Williams song all the way, you know?
Yeah.
Does that kind of stuff.
Either Mo Bandy or John.
So we're here at Carmine's Country Corner coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And that's it. It's a little cold outside, but we got a few people came up to say hello. My daughter Kim's at the controls with Tom Paul Wilson. We got Dan Hugard doing the YouTube thing for us. We appreciate that. And hey, we're getting a lot of hits, folks. The show's growing a little. Yeah, especially in YouTube. They're coming up nice. So I'm feeling good about that.
I watch it all the time.
I do too. So anyway, you know. Huh? Oh yes, I want to say thank you, Kim. Thanks to all our supporters, people that watch the show. Push the like button, tap the share button, and all that stuff, and spread the word. I know Dr. Teresa's always saying nice things about us. I know Dr. Kathy, she goes to all the clubs in town. She's always chirping about Carmine's Country Corner to people. So we appreciate that. And even Jerry down at Nosbury Farm.
I love that.
He's always yelling things up at the stage about Carmine's Country Corner down there. So.
You know the most important thing, though, Carmen?
What?
We're having fun.
Oh, that's the whole point. Believe me, that's really what it's all about.
Merle Haggard and G.
Merle, I love that song.
It's going out to Merle. Where's
It's
Merle?
Merle, I love it.
There's Merle.
Key of G.
Yeah, I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my whole heart in. And today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And crying time for me just begun. See, today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. what a fool I was, think that I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst is yet to come, and crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
I want to show how to end that thing. I was like, I almost thought I might play another one. I didn't know. Sounded great, Gary. How do you like your new stands? Is it making you play any better?
Absolutely.
You know? It's like when you get a new guitar, you always play like a little better for a while, then you fall back into your old habits. You know?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's great.
So many, I can't tell you right now because it would take up the rest of the show.
Well,
But Black Panther is the name of the company, and if you got a keyboard, take it off that ring. Well, I'll tell you a true story. Many times those stands like this have fallen on me, and my keyboard has hit the ground because once you set them up like 7,000 or 8,000 times,
they get weak. Yeah,
they
things,
get weak.
Yeah.
And man, yeah, I'm talking about. I don't play no toy keyboards. These are expensive boards. So anyway, I know that ain't never gonna happen. So
Well, it looks like it's really like you could
I'm relaxed now.
you could use it for like a truck jack.
I
I
did
think it
that.
would. It looks strong. I'm telling you right now. Yeah. Okay, so we're standing here. Paul, do another one that maybe I'll sing one. And then, gee, we're almost to the half hour, and I've got to get the guest people up yet. Okay.
Or kind of a 2/4 shuffle, I guess.
Okay.
D, key of D.
Doggy dog.
1 5 1. Dun, dun, dun. 2. 1 2.
You told me once that you'd be mine alone forever, and I'd be yours till the end of eternity. But all those vows are broken now, and I will never be the same except in memory. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long, long day. And it would be so sweet, but all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. A brighter face may take my place when we're apart, dear. Another love with a heart more bold and free. But in the end, fair weather friends may break your heart, dear. And if they do, sweetheart, remember me. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. remember me at the close of a long, long day. And it would be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. Remember me when the candlelights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long, long day. And it would be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. Yeah, just to know you still remember me.
Good song.
That's a good
Love
one.
that song.
That's a good one.
Well, I think we're gonna get the one that probably drove the furthest to get here up first.
All right.
So Jerry, come on up. Folks, this is Jerry Crum, my good friend from Knott's Farm. And he's gonna play Paul's bass. Hey.
There you go. Have fun.
All right, we're going to do Hello Mary Lou in the key of A.
Give it.
All right, a little tune here from Rick Nelson. It's easy to be a rock star when your father produces a weekly TV show.
What do you want? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Sweet Mary Lou, I'm so in love with you. I do, Mary Lou. We'd never part. So hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Pass me by one sunny day. Flash those big brown eyes my way. And do I wanted you forevermore. I'm not one that gets around. It's where my feet stuck to the ground. No, I never did meet you before. I said hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Sweet Mary Lou, I'm so in love with you. I do, Mary Lou. We'd never part. So hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Hello, Carmine. I heard your voice. Believe me, I just had no choice. Wild horses couldn't take me, stay away. Thought about those moonlit nights, my arms around you good and tight, and that's all I had to see for me to say. I said hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart, sweet Mary Lou. I'm so in love with you. I knew, Mary Lou, we'd never part. So hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. I said hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Woo!
I think you nailed it. Good job, Jerry.
Just like
Man,
the record, right?
That was absolute, except for my part. But we had fun. That deep pull off, I couldn't get.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that.
All right, we're gonna do "Hey Good Looking" in the key of C.
Okay, how do you want to just vamp or something?
Yeah.
You wanna do? Vamp in the key of C. Hey, good. Give him a count. What do you want?
Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we can find ourselves a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill where there's soda pop and the dancing is free. If you wanna have fun, come along with me now. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe buy myself a brand new recipe? No more looking, I know I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? I got a foot book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age, 'cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? Woo! Hey, thank you guys for having me. That was a lot of fun.
Jerry, thanks for coming up. And any time you feel like doing something, call me and come up and do it. I just got another shock. It's there somewhere, folks. Damn, I don't know why. It's in that. Oh well. Let's do a song and then let's get Tom up. We got about a half hour left, so maybe I should do one.
Change the plug on your amp, you switch it around.
Oh man, you know what? I'll try it, but I'm scared. Try the ground thing.
What are you doing there, Will? You're welcome.
1, 2, 3. Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I never felt so down and out, and I never felt so all without. Now since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken-hearted me. You gotta hear it. let it be. It's blue and broken hearted me. Thank you. Oh, Tom Paul Wilson, come on up. He was coming up. There was no stopping him. You're not going to use your guitar? Hey, I got the whole thing set up for you there, buddy. Folks, I'm going to tell you, this is one of the rocks behind the Carmine Country Corner Show is that man right there. He got me out of more ditches, as did my daughter. My daughter comes here, and boy, when there's a glitch, these guys just pull rabbits out of a hat, and they make the show happen. Dan, of course, he's been adding so much, just coming up just for the love of the music. Of course, he's part of the family. He plays drums, bass, and he's always behind the computer helping us, try to make us look and sound as good as we possibly can. We appreciate everybody watching the show. We are coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. He was nice enough to give us a home. We've been here quite a while. Got us out of the rain, Paul. Got us out of the heat.
Yeah.
A little bit. You know, it gave us a place to duck. So we're having a good time. What are you looking at? Oh, his chart.
Yeah, he's got a.
You know, I'm not going to use the chart, and if you hear anything really bad going on, folks, in the band in this song, it'll be me. So don't blame these guys. Blame Carmine.
I'm still here.
Okay, Tom, what do you got for us this week?
All right. Hey, first of all, I wanted to say, my brother, friends of mine that watch, do me a favor, hit the PayPal button.
Oh,
Just do it for me. I want to see if we get
we
anything
don't
out of
normally
it.
ask for money around here, but you know, anybody that feels the spirit, we're
I'm
probably
just
not
asking
gonna.
my family.
Thank you. Thank you for that. We appreciate it. Hit it.
So listen, fellas, I had this old friend die recently, and his name was Jim, and I used to sit at the end of the bar with him when I was drinking as a while back. And he was a songwriter, but he just got out of prison, and he was, I never did figure out what he went to prison for. And he kind of had this song that he would hum, and then he died. I told him I was taking it. I didn't steal it. And it was a cool song because I thought he was in prison and he was talking about his conviction, and I thought, oh yeah, that sucked, but going to prison and stuff. But the whole time he was talking about his conviction in believing in things, and I was like, oh,
Now I get it.
and then we started both cracking up. But I'm going to dedicate this one to Jim. And I'm sorry for my voice. I'm bouncing back. She'll be waiting for me when I get there, with a calendar of X's on the wall. She'll be wondering what I learned while I've been in here. Ain't so proud of my conviction after all. I was sure and I was right. Things was plain as day and night. Always certain I would never fall. Ain't so proud of my conviction after all. My gun. Now it's crystal clear. When I get out of here, I'll be smarter and not Mr. Hold on. Let me jump in where that bridge is at. Hang on, Gary. Let me jump in where that bridge is. Now it's crystal clear. When I get out of here, I'll be smarter and not Mr. Know-It-All. Not so sure and not so right. I won't hold convictions tight with fright. Not so positive, I don't want to fall. Not so proud of my conviction after all. She'll be waiting for me
when I get there, with a calendar of X's on the wall. She'll be wondering what I learned while I've been in here. Ain't so proud of my conviction after all. My conviction, I could see, was damn near the end of me. And I was positive to a fault. I never questioned my certainty. I may be too damn blind to see that this conviction wasn't positive at all. Not so proud of my conviction after all. Not so proud of my conviction. I'll practice on my diction. Not so proud of my conviction after all. Hit that PayPal button.
All right, we got through it.
We did, you know.
What else you got?
Response.
There's a lot of really good lines in this song. It's a pretty good song.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Coming from you, that means a lot. I appreciate it. Yeah, we'll hear that again someday. My voice is almost shot.
We got that one to the list, that's all.
And I have another one that's just a G, C, and a D. Well, let's not do that. Let's do one you can play on.
I can play me.
I know, but no, I mean, you lead it.
What makes you comfortable?
Paul, can we do Poncho and Lefty?
Sure.
And then you do the first verse and the last verse, and I'll do the middle
You
two.
want me to do the first verse?
Yeah, and the last one,
All right.
and I'll do the middle two.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
We'll figure it. What key in, Paul? Oh, key of D, right?
Sure.
Is G or D?
D.
Huh?
D, dog.
Living on the road, my friend, is gonna keep you free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, your breath's as hard as kerosene. Weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one, it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye. Sank into your dreams.
Poncho was a bandit, boys. He rode a horse fast as polished steel. He wore his pants outside his clothes for all the honest world to see. And Poncho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. And no one heard his dying word. Oh, but that's the way it goes. All the federales say they could have had him any day. They only let him go so long. Kindness, I suppose. And Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. The dusted Poncho bit down south, it ended up in Lefty's mouth. And the day they let old Poncho low, Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Oh, there ain't nobody knows.
Reports tell how Pancho fell. Lefty's living in a cheap hotel. The desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold. So the story ends, we're told. Now Pancho needs a prayer that's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's growing old. All the federales say they could have had him any day. They only let him go so long. Kindness, I suppose. A few brave federales say could have had him any day. We only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose.
Townes Van Zandt?
Yeah.
Oh,
Did he write that?
he wrote it. Yeah, a lot of people sang it though.
Okay, well, I think.
You did.
I just did. That's my favorite line of his.
Folks, we got about 15
Thank you.
minutes left. I might go 2 minutes. Tom, thanks. Thank you. We'll get you up again. Something's doing a funny noise, like a. Oh, it's his guitar. Just kill the amp. There you go.
See, sometimes you gotta remind musicians that they just sang this song.
Well,
I don't know why.
we just do.
You just,
Do something else.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of course. Well, so you're not going to be here next week.
Oh, I guess I'm not going to be here next week. Is it next
bummer,
week?
dude, but you got something kind of exciting going on.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's right. John Palmer and I are playing in the band for a night that honors and also tries to raise money for Patty Booker, who's having some health difficulties, and we're going to try to help her out. We're doing a bunch of Patty Booker songs, and it's at McCabe's next Sunday night, which is why we're not going to be here.
Is it sold out yet?
Is it sold out yet?
I don't know.
It's a CD release party. Thank goodness John knows everything about this.
She's got a new CD out. Oh, wow.
Got a lot of... Ronnie Mack?
Oh, God, all the guys.
Ronnie Mack, Rosie Flores, James Infeld, Jan Brown.
Oh.
A lot of
Folks,
great artists are going to be there.
It's already full.
You know, you can always watch the rerun of this show. And what time you guys starting down
8
there?
o'clock. It's
Well,
an
they
8.
start at 8. Our show goes off at 6. So you can still watch our show, and you'll have 2 hours to get down to
Theoretically,
McCabe's
John
and
and
go
I
see
could
him.
play if
You couldn't and
if somebody
get on
hired
it.
us a helicopter.
Right. But anyway, good luck to her, to Patty, and everything she's trying to do. And sorry, I can't be there.
I've been going old you over my left shoulder. I'd spend most all my time searching for four-leaf clover. If you would help me chase my rainbow. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe.
kind of went out of town on that one.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton loved that bass, who seemed so good to me. And he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Hit me with the organ. I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Daddy said you drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. When Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went out in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. It could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year that Clayton Delaney died. Thank you, folks. We're going to go over by just a few minutes. Paul.
Yeah.
Close the show for us. Thank you for watching, folks. Thanks for putting up with all our nonsense. But we had a great time. Tom, thank you. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Get ready. Get some more songs ready. We're going to work you. Jerry, thank you. You are now an official member of the Carmine's Country Corner, so we'll be expecting to see you around once in a while. Okay, brother? And if I don't see you sooner, I'll see you Saturday night at Knott's Berry Farm. Okay.
I got a question.
Go ahead.
What's next week that you're not going to be here?
I'm going to be here. I said I'd see you at Knott's Berry Farm on Saturday night.
Well, no, I'm talking about here, Carmine's Corner.
I'm gonna be
next
here.
Sunday. All right.
Yeah.
Just these two people.
These two are leaving, but I'll get Dan on drums if that's okay with him, and I'll get a.
We can replace those guys in a second.
I'll get a bass, but you could kick bass. Maybe we'll do an acoustic set, not do too much. We're gonna do something. So
All
just
right, yeah, tune in. We'll be
tune
here.
in. We're gonna be here doing something. We're not gonna
Okay,
forget.
go
you.
ahead, Paul.
And good luck to Patty, and try to help her out. She needs help right now, and she's got a lot of great people behind her doing some really good shows. McCabe's is a great place to hang out and play. It's a lot of fun down there. So get out there and support this young lady. She deserves it. Buy the CD. Go down and buy the record. Go home and listen. It's got a lot of great players.
Yeah,
on
man.
it.
Thanks,
You're
Carmen.
on it, right?
Yeah, I am.
Absolutely. Okay. So what do we got, Paul?
Working Man's Blues.
Working Man Blues, and then we're going home. Good night, folks.
1, 2, 3.
Ah. Sorry, I forgot the answer.
Well, it's a big job getting by with 3 kids and a wife. I've been a working man dang near all of my life, and I'll keep on working as long as these 2 hands fit to use. Well, I drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Well, I keep my nose at the grindstone, work hard every day. Might get a little tight on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back to working. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Well, I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Working man like Gary Swan. Yeah, sometime I think about leaving, maybe do a little bumming around. Throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town, but I go back to working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Yeah, and I'll drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. I won't be, 'cause I'll go back to working. As long as these two hands are fit to pick. Well, I drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, I'm gonna drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. Working man blues. Hey, good night, everybody. Thank you. Carmen's Country Corner.
Thank you, Gary Swan. Great job.